In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 more stupid simple, stupid easy YouTube channel ideas. In fact, I don't think anybody's ever mentioned any of these. We're going to talk about everything. We're going to talk about how much money you can make, how much traffic or how many people are going to actually looking for these information, how you can get started. We're going to cover it all, so make sure you watch this entire video. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as an internet marketer, I like to create content to help you make money online. So let's go ahead and talk about it. These are 5 stupid, simple, stupid, easy YouTube channel ideas. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to be on camera. In fact, you could probably hire someone to do the voiceovers as well. Let's go ahead and talk about each one of these ideas. The first one that I want to show you is simply how tall is. Now, if we look at this, there are 9.4 million searches per month, and they're just asking about people's heights. Now, if we take a look at the first one, how tall is Kevin Hart? There's 168,000 searches for his height. And if we take a look at YouTube here, the top result is 3 minutes and 58 seconds, so less than a 4-minute video. The one below it, again, less than a 5-minute video. And if you take a look here, Rob actually created the exact same video twice, 10 months apart. So if we look at Rob's channel, he's only creating content on how tall people are. And you can see there are tons of views for this. And if we take a look at his social blade, this is going to give us about an idea of how much money he's making. You can see here about $1,000 per month. He's probably not monetized correctly. What I would do if I was creating content about how tall someone is, I'd go out and find different affiliate programs to promote. Maybe for like Kevin Hart, he has a new Netflix show out, so I'd promote maybe a Netflix subscription. If he has any brand deals or sponsorships, he could do that as well. And Rob could also look at different brand deals and sponsorships as well. He could actually promote the products and services that he's using to create the content. So something like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, if he's using a special microphone, a voiceover computer, all of that stuff, and that could actually 3, 4, 5, and even 10x his income. But the first one and the easiest one, I think, is how tall is someone. And the cool thing is you can actually take this question and plug it right into Google, and Google's actually going to give you an answer. For example, if we just type it, how tall is Kevin Hart, like this, you're going to see that Google actually gives you the answer, and you're just going to report on that answer. You can see here around 5 feet 2 inches tall. That is his height. And what you can do is just dress it up a little bit, talk about his background, talk about his most recent movies, compare his height to other actors. Is Tom Cruise taller than him? We don't know. Let's talk about it in our video. That's going to be a way to increase the length of time of our video so that we can get more watch hours and we can get monetized. But number 1 is how tall is. Number 2 is who is. This is a very interesting question because we don't know who everybody is. If somebody is in the news and people are talking about him, they have no idea. They jump over to Google or YouTube and they ask who is. For example, who is Marshmallow? I had no idea who this person was, but this teeny tiny subscriber right here, only 1,000 subscribers, has 8.7 thousand views from 11 months ago, simply answering the question, who is Marshmallow? This video is 7 minutes in length. And if we take a look here, we click on who is, that's basically what they're doing. Again, this is a teeny tiny channel, only 1.4 thousand subscribers, and their most viewed video has over 198,000 views. Now, the best way to do this would be to take advantage of trending celebrities. For example, they did Who is Lizzo? That was back when Lizzo was insanely popular. You can look at a website called trends.google.com, and you can take a look and find trending celebrities, create a video about who is, and you can get even more traffic. Now, unfortunately, this channel hasn't uploaded in about 10 months, so we can't see how far or how fast they've grown, but you can see that they actually got pretty good traffic capitalizing on trending celebrities and trending topics. But you can actually create this as well. If we go back over here, 35 million monthly searches, over 4 million keywords, simply asking about who different people are. After who is, we have who won. Now, this is an interesting one because this gets 9.8 million monthly searches, 397,000 keywords, and this is not going to be evergreen, so you're going to have to create a lot of content because people are going to be asking about who won this and that all the time. For example, who won Jeopardy tonight? If we look at this top result here, if we scroll up, look at this, 636 views, 16,000 subscribers, 254,000 views, but this person is capitalizing. If we scroll down just a little bit, this one right here, who won Jeopardy, 11,000 views from 3 days ago. And this person does have 185,000 subscribers. Now, the weird thing about this channel is they talk a little bit more than Who Won Jeopardy. They're more of talking about a celebrity, trending things and things that are happening on TV. But you could see, if we look over here, there are 9.8 million monthly searches about who won. And we can do this about the Super Bowl, about the different fights that happen, about America's Got Talent. Whatever TV show that's out there, we can create a video talking about who won the Powerball. That's going to be really important. And you can see you can create content. Now, that channel that I showed you, it says that it's making really good money, but I don't know that for sure. It says it's making over $165,000. The interesting thing with this channel is this might be a lot of copyrighted content. So you'd have to be careful and not do it like this. One of the issues with this channel, like I said, is it looks like they're using a lot of copyrighted content. These are straight ripped from different TV shows, and so they're probably copyrighted claimed. Now, hopefully they have other monetization ideas, like maybe doing a Patreon or having some sort of membership. Maybe they're doing different brand deals and sponsorships, but you don't want to just rip straight episodes off of TV. That's not going to work. You can see that they're uploading multiple times. What you want to do is you want to create unique original content. If you're creating content about Who Won Jeopardy, go try and find still images, try and find royalty-free or copyright-free images. But people are asking this question over and over again about who won different things. After who won, we have how to find. Now, I really like this one because it gets over 800,000 searches per month. There are over 195,000 keywords, and I think there's a lot of opportunity. For example, the first one, how to find my AirPods. You can walk people step by step through the process to find their AirPods, and if for whatever reason they can't find them, you can actually recommend. You could be an affiliate for Amazon and recommend new AirPods. You could also recommend things like the Apple tags that you can put on different things to track wherever they are. But I really like this idea because it's really helpful and it's really easy, and there's always going to be new things that you can create this content on. For example, we type in how to find my AirPods, top result, 932,000 views, 1.3 million subscribers. The one below that, 996,000 views from 2 years ago. You can see, but look at this third one here. This one, only 14,000 subscribers, 195,000 views. And there's always going to be new stuff that pops up so that you can create this content. If we look at Lo-Fi Alpaca, they have over 193,000 views, and they're basically just creating short how-to videos on how to do different things. So, and you can do this too. Now, if we look at their Social Blade account, it looks like they're making $22,000 per year simply helping people out. Now, you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program like this person's doing. You can also do different brand deals and sponsorships. Maybe you are doing a tutorial series on how to find my AirPods, and Apple wants to sponsor your videos. You could actually make a few extra dollars doing it. So that's a really cool idea, and you can use this to make money. And the final one that we have today is what is? Yes, very simple. What is? And what we're going to do is we can take any one of these questions. There's over 350 million searches per month, over 44 million keywords, and we can just do what is CBD? We copy this. Or what is CBG, excuse me, paste this in just like this, hit enter, and then you can create content. Look at this, very low competition, 3.2 thousand views, 24,000 subscribers. You simply create content, 254 subscribers, 855 views. You create content answering these questions, and you can get monetized. It really all depends on the type of content. Some of it, if it's not safe for work, if it's not advertiser friendly, that video may not get monetized, but you have a very good chance if you're answering these basic questions. Look at this. What is CrossFit? You can answer that question. What holiday is it today? All sorts of things. What is Wordle? You could copy and put this in right into YouTube, answer this question, and get traffic. And there might be different tools and things that you can recommend to help you make even more money. But you can see here, people are asking very basic questions. You do a little bit of research, you help them out, and you can make money. Look at this one, 21,000 subscribers, 19,000 views, simply asking what Wordle is. Now, what you want to do is you want to teach people how to play it and give them some background and insight. But if we look at this one only has 3,000 subscribers, 2.5 thousand views, simply talking about Wordle. Now, YouTube Shorts might be the best way to go in this instance because people are shifting more towards the short format videos versus the long form content. Now that you know 5 stupid, simple YouTube channel ideas, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you step-by-step how to start affiliate marketing without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads or even a large mailing list. click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.